Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your daily energies, Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys. For your relationship, we'll be picking few more cards from another deck. So we will turn these cards as we proceed, guys. I'll also pick for your relationship now, guys, and then we will start the reading. So these are the cards for your relationship. Capricorn, I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your situation, guys, and whether this reading resonates. So let's see what are the cards for your daily reading first. It's Four of Cups in reverse, Temperance in reverse, and Knight of Pentacles. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, these cards may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation, guys. So you are a person who knows what are your goals, what are your aspirations. Maybe this may be something to do with your career situation. So you are making those efforts, whatever is needed, and you're moving steadily towards your goals and your dreams. So you are making the right choices, things necessary for your for things to manifest in your life, guys, in your career situation or personal life situation in this relationship. And I also see that maybe you are quite emotional today. You are turning to some kind of faith, or it may be a belief, and you are taking great comfort in those beliefs, guys. It may be something that is giving you peace of mind when you're worried or stressed. So you are turning to those beliefs or some spiritual practices, maybe meditation or some kind of chanting. So whatever it is. So something that gives you comfort and helps you to maintain that harmonious outlook on life. So you are taking up those practices. That is also what I see. And maybe in your situation today, guys, maybe Capricorn, you are in a separation from this person. That may be the reason we see some kind of, you're searching for some kind of an emotional support, comfort in religion. So you may be in separation, maybe you have had a breakup, or you are in a temporary separation, or for some of you, you are interested in someone new. And if that is the case, if you are ready for a new relationship, I also see that there is someone coming in, guys, to know you. They may interest you a lot. So this person is coming in your life, guys. So, or it may be something to do with your career also. It may be a new path. Some business opportunities or offers are coming in your situation, guys. So that is also what I see with these cards, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship. Tower, Seven of Fire, and Queen of Fire. So these are the cards here, guys. So Capricorn, you are proceeding towards some kind of change in your relationship, guys. So whatever was not working for you, all that is leaving you. So maybe this person or certain things in this relationship. It is simply your circumstances are reordering. So, unexpected events are taking place, but that may worry you now, but you need to understand that, but you will be able to understand that in future, guys, that these changes are necessary for what is going to come towards you. So some better opportunities or offers are coming towards you, and you are at your best today, guys. So these changes are necessary to bring out that greater potential in you, and whatever you are passionate about, all those uh, desires and your dreams are coming out today. So these changes are helping you to they are just shaping up what you are, guys, bringing out your true potential. So these changes may be worrying you now, but I see that you are moving towards something great in life, guys. In this relationship, maybe the changes that you see, maybe certain circumstances may be worrying you a lot, but you are changing so much. You are changing emotionally, you are changing, growing spiritually. So in this love, you may find the right way to relate with them. You may uh, find that friendship in that person, or you may try to find that friendship, and you have that perseverance, grit, and determination in this love, guys. That is also what I see. Maybe in these troubling times, you are uh, finding that most important thing, that you love them and you cannot leave them no matter what. So you are trying to establish that love, that deep connection with that person. So that is also what I see, guys, with these cards, Capricorn. So in this relationship, you may have certain troubles and certain things are happening, unexpected changes are happening, but still you have that love, that deep bond with this person, and you are moving in a positive way. You are changing yourself and changing this love, changing this person and this connection forever, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Capricorn, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.